Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Lingde. This is my Python 2 final project. My idea. This project was inspired by Tamagotchi project from last class. I want to make a better version of the game. My project uses conditional statements and function. Conditional statements. Conditional statements are ways to make decisions based on a conditions. If the condition is true, then we enter the branch. Function. Functions are packages of code that you can call at any time. Example, print statements.
What are some of the examples of conditional statements? What words do they start with? So one of them was if, right? What's the other two?
Elif.
And what's the last one?
If, elif. The last one is
What does ELIF stand for?
elif, if else.
Okay, so what does the last one stand for then?
Elif.
So there's if, and then ELIF is else if, and then the last one is, it starts with an E.
Else if.
Not else if, it's just else.
Else.
Mm-hmm.
Code examples. This is the code of it's a conditional function. It starts with if. It has the name. It's a pet number is equal to 1. The pet is dog. If the pet number is equal to 2, the pet is cat. And it goes so on. For the function, we write df, and then we write the function's name, and then inside the function, inside to call a function, you need to write the function's name. Write demonstration. Which pet would you like?
Honey?
Bunny? What's your pet name?
Lingde?
I knew that. What would you like to do? What would you like to do?
Interact with his pet.
You could do discipline, play, feed, doctor, or clean. What would you like?
Feed.
Feed. You need pet food. You can't feed the pet with air. You need to feed it with food.
Okay.
Why didn't you can't feed it with air?
Food is for air. So no way to feed. Okay, play. No. Interact. Yes, do. Continue interacting with his pet. Play.
We can't play also,
Why?
though.
You can play.
If you
What
want
does doctor mean?
to.
See doctor?
You could do doctor.
Okay.
Okay,
You
that's
take us
it.
to
You could
doctor's
go to
office for what?
Yeah.
That's
Check
it?
out. Check out.
Okay. Stop.
Store, okay.
How much money? How much money do you have?
You have, I can't tell you. You have to reveal this wheel.
Treats.
Treats
Yeah.
for what to do next. You have $80 remaining.
Oh, the treats control mini 80. Okay. See, what's in your inventory?
One.
Treat. Yeah.
You don't have pet treats.
Okay. Those are treats you just bought.
Here's 3. Interacting. Do 3, Dad.
Okay.
You have to feed
3?
it.
See what else we can do.
Feed it now. Feed it, Dad. Feed it, feed it, feed it, feed it.
Okay. Now you have the treats you can feed. Yeah, 3.
I think you need to buy pet food.
Oh, okay.
Treats.
So just show me to two good stuff.
2.
Yeah, let's buy some food. Pet food. Yeah, one.
$70 remaining.
You do 3, Dad.
Yeah, yeah, three. Feet. Three.
3.
Yeah. And it's full now. It was angry. Okay, that's fine.
Alright, then let's go back to the presentation.
Okay.
She has
5,
to put it
6.
yes.
Okay. My favorite part of this project was to make the pet have emotions and telling the player what the pet is feeling. So basically, it's like the pet age equals 0, pet health equals 100, pet hunger equals 50, pet happiness equals 50, pet behavior equals 100. If I would continue working on this project, I would add more actions, more items to the store, and a way for the pet to die.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
What?
Thank you.